Steven can. Thanks, man.
Okay, thank you.
Domo arigato, Steven-san.
more.
Oh, is that too dark?
No.
No.
It's good. Okay.
We need a spotlight on you.
I know.
Oh, it's so dark. Hi everyone, I'm Dai Rong Cai. Yeah. Today I'm gonna present the Chinese music, but I will also introduce. I mean, Chinese music. I mean, like music of China mainland, and I will introduce the Taiwanese music later. But yeah. Okay. Everybody know like China is a pretty big place, and and they have a lot of races, and they like nowadays like 92% is Han, that Han, spell HAN. This race mostly in like mostly in Chinese of the Chinese population, and then like 88% is 56 few tribe, yeah, is that tribes, yeah, and they spoke different language like that dialogue, and it also affects the color of the music it sounds. Especially the region, you can see the region, the north is more like their sounds and their songs is more rougher, and southern religion is more like delicate and inclusive. So I'm gonna play two of the folk song. One is more like in the Liaoning. You can see the dots, like the speaker sounds up there. Let's hear that. What's the difference between those two? Yeah, this is more talking about the horses, because it's near. You can see the Mongolian. Nowadays it's not in part of China, but they have like a lot of mountain there, or you can say like land, like flat land, like Kansas. So they have a lot of lamb drum. They will play on top of the when they are racing horses. And this song is more mainly talking about they are going somewhere and they want to move faster and express their spiritual of the how do you cowboy, we will say that, yeah. And then listen about the southern music. This song is more, you can hear, although like the language maybe is really unfamiliar for you guys, but you can hear like the how to say, the tones and also the notes they are using. This one is more about like expanding the line speaker wider. You can hear it. Let's hear it. This is a little bit. today maybe it's more about like listening different kinds of music and it's for like the instrumentation they're gonna use. So next thing I would like to talk about is okay. Yeah. And in really Asian era, it's called the Zhou dynasty. Dynasty is like 2,000 years before nowadays. They have 8 classification, and those like those metal, stone, silk, bamboo, and gourd, and wood, and hides and clay. And the first one I would like to talk about is okay, this one, the metal instruments. This I don't know if you guys familiar with or not. It was the main melody line in really old, like back 2,000 years before. I found this is really interesting because just like 20 years ago, people in Hubei state, they just how to say, have that underground. You know, it's for they found that.
Oh, you mean
that.
the soldiers, the clay soldiers?
Not in that area, but like similar times period, and they just simulated those things. Yeah. And this interesting about this is about this instrument is like taller than me, and it plays maybe 4 or 5 people, and 2 people play the bigger. The bell is like this big. It's called 编钟, which is like, it means a lot of bells. And the bigger bells, they will have like sticks, like this stick, and you just hit it. But each bells have 2 tones. They have maybe C in the middle, and they have the A flat on the side as the overtone. So I think this is the earliest 12-tone system in history of the Chinese music, because we use it more like that pentatonic scales. So I found this quite interesting, and I took a class of this, and it was really tired, because when you are playing the highest notes, you have to stand it on the ladder, and you have to do it like this, and you don't know which, because it's kind of wide, you have to go in around as well. So you not only have to memorize the notes because you don't have to stand on it, and also you're worried about to fall down.